Alright, I am actually remaking this video because the last time I kind of screwed up. So, this is a Lasko 20-inch 3733 box fan. This is the oldest fan we have in the house. I'm not really sure what the model name of it is, but I know the number is 3733. So we are going to demonstrate it. First, we're going to turn it to low. And it's pretty quiet on low. I don't know if you can tell or not, but the little canopy, or the motor, whatever you want to call it, it kind of shakes a little bit. So, yeah, it's a pretty old fan. Now we're going to turn it to medium. So, that's medium, and it's a pretty loud fan. Now we're going to get to the fun part. We're going to turn it on high. So yeah, it's very loud on high. To be honest, you can almost hear this thing throughout the entire house. I'm not joking. So yeah, it's a very loud thing. Alright, well, anyways, I don't really have much else to say, but, yeah, this fan, we don't really use it anymore. We used to use it in our old house a lot, but for some reason, whenever the air conditioner broke, we always went to a hotel, so, and this was, like, the only fan we really had in our old house, but, like, since we moved into this house, we've obtained 2 other fans, including that Massey and the one I'm going to show in the next video. Like, whenever the air conditioner broke, we always stayed in a hotel. They didn't really like this fan, apparently. I don't know. Well, we should have borrowed a few fans from my grandparents' house, but apparently they didn't want to do that. So, anyways, that's about it for the, this Massey, or not Massey, this Lasko 20-inch fan. Box fan.